Your LinkedIn profile is a digital representation of your professional identity and should be used to complement your resume. Now, not only that, it's a valuable tool for networking and can increase your visibility to recruiters and potential employers. Today, I'm going to share 5 LinkedIn tips that as job seekers you need to know to help nail that professional identity and in turn increase your visibility. I'm Lucy Gilmore, a career coach helping job seekers go from unknown to an authority in their field so you can elevate your impact, income and go from feeling hopeless to hired to headhunted on autopilot. Now, a quick bonus tip for when you follow along with this video today. You want to go to your privacy settings, click visibility and toggle off the options to share profile updates with your network. That way, when you're making these changes today, your current employer won't be notified. Okay, so my first tip is to make sure you have a profile picture and that everyone can see it. You don't need to spend loads on a professional headshot. Just take a picture on your smartphone and use tools like Canva to edit it if needed. Now, one of the great things you can do on Canva is remove the background on your photo and you can replace it with a bright color to really make your photo pop and stand out from the crowd. Now, also, if you are open to work, make sure that your profile is set so everyone can see your profile picture, not just those that you're connected with. Now, not having a profile picture can often put recruiters off. So go into your account preferences and in settings and under general preferences, make sure where it says show profile photos, you have that set to all LinkedIn members. That way, people who are not connected to you can see your profile picture and are more likely to think that you're an active user and therefore want to connect. Now, next, let's talk about your headline. Now, LinkedIn automatically populates this with your current job title and the company that you work for. But to maximize the impact on your headline, you should change it to include your job title, but also your value add or keywords that highlight your expertise. So using the example of a clinical project manager, you might put clinical project manager, 5+ years experience, oncology, early phase. Now this in a few words says what your area of expertise is, and having used keywords means that you're more likely to show up in searches. Now moving on to the about section, this is your area to expand on your expertise and your experience. Don't use this section to write an objective statement. Instead, write a golden paragraph or 5 to 6 bullet points highlighting your achievements and your expertise. Now, make sure this section contains keywords. LinkedIn search works like Google search, and therefore keywords play a big role in how often you show up in recruiters and hiring managers' search results. Now, not sure what keywords to include? Go look at 10 job descriptions for the type of position you are targeting and identify the key requirements in each of them. Now you will start to see the same words being used across all the job descriptions. So make sure those keywords are in your about section. Now next we have your experience section. Now you don't need to go into as much detail as you have on your resume but in this section, but I would suggest that having at least 3 to 5 bullet points for each position to highlight what it is you've done. Now, the only thing you want to make sure you do in this section is make sure that all the dates align with those on your resume. Any inconsistencies can put recruiters and potential employers off. And lastly, make sure you turn the people also viewed setting off. You don't want someone looking at your profile and being able to see profiles similar to yours next to it, as it draws attention away from you. So if you turn it off, all eyes will be focused on you. Now you've optimized your LinkedIn for your job search, go check out my video on Open to Work tag. And if you found value in this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to gain more valuable insights.